What's up, everybody? This is Ramos Sanchez from Board at Home. So I'm working on a Destro helmet. I just put a first coat of the filler primer, and I'm just waiting for it to dry. So I'm gonna give it 12-20 hours or so. Tomorrow I'll come back and put another coat, and then I'll start working on sanding all the print lines. The filament that I used was silver, and you can see the fill lines, but you couldn't see them all. So I figured I'd give it a coat of primer first. But this is where I'm at. Take another video. This color of the filament. It almost looks like the primer. But I'll take more videos I go through as I get some detail. But the file's pretty good. I got it from Etsy. Looks like Destro. But I gotta get all those lines cleaned up, make them look smooth, and then paint it silver. So this is where I'm at. Well, giving it a black coat, I'm gonna chrome it after this. You can still see some of the lines from the 3D printing, and but this is not gonna be the final one I'm gonna use for my costume. This is just a test. I'm trying to learn. I haven't sanded and primed in a long time, so this is a little practice. But I went over here. You can see I overspray, so I gotta sand it and repaint it. It's gonna need a second coat of black anyway before I put on the chrome. But it does look pretty good. It could be better, but this is gonna be a display piece until I make the other one. The next one I'm gonna print at 0.1, so it'd be finer detail, and it'll look a lot better. It'd be less work, less post work. All right. Well, here's the final look on the Destro helmet. I do have some overspray in some areas. I didn't notice it when I painted the high gloss black, but I got fingerprints. I gotta clean that up, shine it up again. But not bad. It looks like Destro, shiny. That's it. Just still have a few print lines too. I kind of rushed it. I don't have a costume for it yet, so it's not like I'm ready for wear. But here we go. Cobra Destro mask.